this drunk ducky. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually good at making the goat sounds. Freezing cold out here, so why the tux? Is this a penguin? I knew it. It's a penguin. All right. Penguin. Let's name him Happy Feet. All right. You ever see that movie Happy Feet with the dancing penguins? Where they're like, you know? But here we go. What should his voice be? Wait, what is even, like, what's his mouth do when he speaks? Ba 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 ba. That's just random noises. I want to see what his mouth does. Speaks. Ba 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 ba. Okay. That's just random noises. All right. So his beat goes like this.